Okay, let's look at this glossary of key terms to do with carboxylic acids. So, an acid is a substance that when dissolved in water has a pH less than 7, and acids will ionise or dissociate in solution, donating H plus ions into that solution. So, the acid concentration is a measure of the number of moles of acid dissolved in a volume of water. So, moles per deciliter, usually we use the decimeter as our standard volume. Acid strength is a measure of the dissociation of an acid. So obviously if you've got lots of dissociation, you're going to have a very strong acid, whereas a small amount will be a weak acid. An alcohol is an organic compound that contains the group OH, and they will all end, so their names will always end in ol, so ethanol, propanol, butanol, for example. Carboxylic acids is what this PowerPoint's been all about, and it is a compound containing the group COOH. Electrolysis is a procedure that we can use to break down an ionic substance using electricity, and it will turn the ions back into their elements. So you can kind of think of it as the reverse of ionic bonding. Equilibrium is when a reversible reaction is in chemical equilibrium. The forward and the backward reactions will take place at the same rate. Therefore, any concentrations do not change, they appear fixed. An ester is a compound that contains the functional group COO. Now obviously there will be other parts on each end of the molecule. I always like to think of it as a sandwich, so the ester goes in the middle. Functional group is the part of the molecule that determines how it behaves. So for example, the COOH in a carboxylic acid is the functional group. A monoprotic acid is an acid that will donate just one H plus per molecule to the solution. So for example, HCl is a monoprotic acid because there is just one H available in the molecule to be donated. pH scale is a number from 0 to 14 that measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. An acidic solution has a low pH, whereas an alkaline solution has a high pH number. A strong acid is an acid that will fully dissociate in water, for example, hydrochloric acid. Also sulfuric and nitric acid will do this as well. Volatile. We would say that a substance is volatile if it readily evaporates at room temperature. A weak acid is an acid that does not fully dissociate in water, for example, carboxylic acids.